Hello and welcome back. Today I am doing a very simple back to basics makeup look, and as you can see my face is already prepped, like more than prepped. I already have my glam fixed. The only thing left is my lipstick. So we're going to be doing a back to basics, which is how to do your red lipstick. How to do your red lipstick? How do you do your red lipstick? How? Just paint your lips red, isn't it? So do not mind me. I have full lips, so I'm going to be lining my lips and then go into the red lipstick to complement this look. And this is a look that you can rock any day. Yes, any day, but not any time, because you know the eyes are really out there. So maybe you can do this for the night. So I feel unprepared for this makeup look, but sometimes I like to just stir myself up and just go for it. The truth is that I can't find my red lip liner, and I have this very old one right here. It is wine in color. I do not even remember the name on it anymore, but please feel free to use what you have. You have to use what you have. You don't have to go all the way looking for, big things when you have something that you can always use right in your house. So I have this wine colored lip pencil. This is what I'm going to use to line my lips because I'm trying to create smaller lips. So I might as well just use a darker shade of the red lipstick that I want to use. When you want to line your lips, always use a darker shade of the color you want to use. You know what I mean? So I'm going to be using this wine color to line my lips, and then I'll go straight on to the red lipstick. This product is really, really nice. Can you guys see what it looks like? I absolutely love it.
Call me whenever you feel alone, babe. And when you need to cry, I'll be by your side. Call me whenever you need someone, babe. And when you need to escape from 1,000 fires, I'm gonna kiss you wherever you are. And I'm gonna miss you, I will never lie.
I love to overline the upper lip because it is very full. So this is just so that my lips create an illusion of smaller lips. And then we're going to go into our red lipstick. It is a matte lipstick by Maybelline. It is Maybelline New York Superstay Matte Ink, and this is very new. So for matte lipsticks, you want to make sure that you do not smack your lips like so. You just want to apply and let it dry, or also blend with your brush. So let's go on into it.
We got this melody, and you can trust me, baby, we got everything. Call me whenever you feel alone, babe. And when you need to cry, I'll be by your side. Call me whenever you need someone, babe. And when you need to escape from 1,000 fires, I'm gonna kiss you wherever you are. And I'm gonna miss you, I will never lie. Call me whenever you need someone, babe. We're running in the jungle of love.
So I'm just going to wait for my lips to dry, and do not smack your lips, guys. You can see how I'm talking. But if you want to blend it, feel free to blend with your brush.
I'm dreaming you and I. All my darkest fears are coming outside. We got a billion races, we got this melody, and you can trust me, baby, we got everything. Call me whenever you feel alone, babe.
I believe this lipstick is a suede finish because my lip is kind of gummy, but it's not bad, and I absolutely love the outcome of this makeup look. Hope you love this makeup as well. I think this is the lipstick I'm going to be rocking this Christmas. I absolutely love it.
Jungle of love.
No stain, and I'm good.
Call me whenever you feel alone, babe. And when you need to cry, I'll be by your side. Call me whenever you need someone, babe. And when you need to escape from 1,000 fires, I'm gonna kiss you wherever you are. And I'm gonna miss you, I will never lie. Call me whenever you need someone, babe. We're running in the jungle of love.